To make the perfect hard-boiled eggs, we start off with fresh eggs. Gently place your eggs into a deep enough pot. Fill your pot with water and make sure the eggs are covered over by at least about an inch of water. Bring the water to a boil with the lid off. As soon as your water starts boiling, take your pot off the heat. Cover your pot, set your timer for 12 minutes, and walk away. Get your cold water bath ready by adding either ice or snow into your pot and then a little bit of water. Once your timer's gone off, take the lid off and very carefully move your eggs from the hot water into the ice water bath. Set your timer for 15 minutes and let it sit. Give your eggs a tap on a hard surface and return them back to the water. Just makes it so much easier to peel them. Now grab one of your eggs and you're going to need a teaspoon. Find where the crack is in the middle and drive your spoon inside the crack and just gently go along the seam. And the shell comes right off. Once you're done peeling them, just give them a quick little rinse to get rid of those little shards. Now it's time to cut one open. And just like that, you have the perfect hard-boiled egg. If you put these right away into an airtight container, you can refrigerate them for up to a week. Can you hit this button and this button and this button for more great ideas and awesome recipes?